proudly showcases traditional flavors that have been passed down through generations.
Welcome to Exhibit Today. This is Brother Hernan Falcon. Live po tayo dito sa sa World Trade Center para po sa Food Expo 2024 16th edition. At kasama po natin one of the good company that will give you a quality and a good product, the Galinco. At kasama po natin today to know better dito sa kumpanyang ito, Mr. John Sumayo. Siya po ang Export and Food Service Sales Manager. Magandang umaga, sir.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon po. Yeah.
Okay. Pag-usapan natin yung Galinco. Ilang taon na sa industriya?
So, Galinco, or also known as Grand Alpha Tech, is founded 1966. So, as of today, we are 26 years in FMCG
Wow.
industry.
So, may legacy na, no?
Yeah. Actually, we're turning 3 decades in few years. So, we are glad to share that to the
Ito bang manufacturing natin sa Pilipinas gumawa nito o may iba tayong bansa?
lahat po is locally manufactured.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, ito ay nagsimula pa magtatatlong dekada na. Ano po yung mga dinala niyong produkto sa Pilipinas, sir?
So ang ating bread and butter for Grand Alpha Tech International Corporation, which is the chocolate chip cookies, the Chips Delight brand. Yun po.
Alright, so ito ngayon ay dito sa Food Expo, parang meron kayong gustong i-highlight ng mga produkto, sir.
Yeah, actually. So since I'm handling the export and food service for this company, Galinco, so I am highly promoting the Sarap Pinoy product. So we created this product for our OFW Filipino, kasi sila yung mga tao na hindi masyadong nakakakain ng traditional food like the puto, bibingka, especially the bibingka and arroz caldo. Ayun.
Ito mga ingredient na ito, sir, ito ba yung kompleto naman panluto ng puto at saka bibingka?
Yeah, actually in 20 minutes you have your all-time favorite bibingka. So optional lang, for example in bibingka, yung mga salted egg, ganun. Yun.
Parang additional na lang.
Yeah. Pero everything ando na package.
So, dito po sa Food Expo, are you open for distributor o wholesaler, sir?
Yeah, oo. Actually, especially in export and food service, we are talaga looking for a client, for
Kumbaga open kayo.
yeah.
Meron ba kayong website at telepono so na pwede kayong kontakin?
Yeah, actually you can check our website at www.galinco.com, and you can contact me at 0969-140-7899.
Okay. So ito mga ano nyo, produkto nyo, competitive ba ang presyo, sir? Compared to the other player?
Yes sir, oo. Since ayun nga, na-mention ko, we're already decades in the industry. So talagang mapapagmalaki namin itong mga produkto ni Galinco. So we are present in 33 countries, most of them in North America and Middle East.
Kumbaga kilalang talaga.
Yeah.
In terms of quality,
Yeah.
yung presyo niya, swak na swak.
Yeah.
Hindi lang sa Pilipino, kundi sa buong bansa.
Yes sir.
Okay, maraming salamat, sir. At you have the privilege to invite our friends. Siyempre, share and like this video. At patuloy natin tangkilikin ang gawang Pilipino, ang Galinco. Sabi nga, ang galing-galing naman ng produktong ito. Sir, invite them.
Yeah, ayun, please check our updates in our Facebook page. So just search Chips Delight and Sarap Pinoy. Ayun, makikita nyo na yung mga latest update for our products. Thank you so much.
Alright. At siyempre, ito yung mabibili naman sa mga leading supermarket, right?
Yes. So for retail, lahat naman mabibili natin in Pure Gold, SM, and even 7-Eleven, kahit sa mga bagong store like Dali Store, O-Save, ayun.
Wow, maraming salamat sa very
It's an
informative
honor, yeah.
na itong discussion na ito. Sa ngalan po ng aming po mga producer, Mr. Rick Angeles, at sa aming mga major sponsor, ang gumawa po ng mga booth dito, ang Venue Design, Swedish design. At siyempre, ito po si Brother Hernan Falcon sa programang Exhibits Today.